Hello, everyone, and welcome to 1213 Avienda del Toro, located in La Costa Village. It is a 55 plus community. This is a 2-bed, 2-bath manufactured home. Right here to your right is a dry-walled shed slash workshop. Extra storage in here. Stepping through the carport area, we're entering your climate-controlled Florida room. Ventilation on the outside. Right through this door here. See, nice size screen-in porch. Straight to the backyard area. Right on into the home. This home is a little over 1,620 square feet. Beautiful kitchen. New countertops, appliances. Flows directly into your living room. There's beautiful flooring throughout. Over here to your left is your utility room, your washer and dryer hookup. Straight to your first bath. Your first bedroom. Nice little walk-in closet. And through here is your master bedroom, equipped with an ensuite. Beautifully done walk-in cedar planked walk-in closet. Through here, nice beautiful vanity, soaker tub, another vanity, stand-up shower. So come on down and check this place out. It is a beautiful home located at 1213 Avienda del Toro in La Costa Village.